Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 2, Episode 35, and in this episode we're going to answer the question, what are molecules? Anybody know? Anyone? Anyone know what a molecule is? Want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and answer that question. So, what are molecules? Well, molecules are groups of atoms that are bonded together. That's their definition. They represent what we call the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound which can take part in a chemical reaction. Now, an example of a molecule would be water, which is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Don't worry, we will be covering atoms in the next video, but I believe I will provide background information and clues about atoms which will prepare you in this video. Now, as you can see at this point, we are really zooming in. Think about it, where we have come from as we started with the biosphere and have now worked our way down to groups of atoms that make up our cells, which, as we described in the last video, are the building blocks of living things, which include you and me. Pretty cool, all right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our fun science fact of the day. This one's pretty big. Sorry, no good pun today, sorry. Okay, now listen and listen closely. The largest eggs in the world are, of course, by a shark, that being the whale shark. Now, the whale shark doesn't technically lay them in the sense of that we think about laying eggs, and they actually hatch inside the female shark. They still have the place of being the largest eggs. Now, listen to this. When the whale shark babies are born, at birth, they are between 55 and 64 centimeters. That is huge. In fact, you could say those are some big babies. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question at the end of the video, and as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye.